Wagwan guys, if you're concerned about protecting your personal data and privacy within the ambit of the law, you are on the right video because I have you in mind making this. So before I continue, I will state that this content is meant to be used in positive and responsible ways only and not for any malicious acts online. So if you are considering being totally anonymous or you are concerned about your data privacy while making online transactions, I will guess you know more than 1.2 million real card credentials get leaked on the dark web in just 2023. That's not even me mentioning those other small breaches that occurs daily. So if you are serious about protecting your privacy and financial data, let's consider some practical ways and crucial factors to stay anonymous. To start with, the hard truth is that achieving total anonymity online is nearly impossible, as most anonymous payment methods still requires a degree of personal identification. Still, we can explore the options that protect your privacy the most and makes it the hardest to be tracked to you. Many believe that payments like PayPal and Venmo are semi-anonymous, okay? But don't forget that they ask you for your ID. Even the almighty cryptocurrency we hail as the holy grail of privacy leaves your digital footprint that may be difficult to track, but they are trackable. Who breached? The crypto kingpin who got arrested. Ask Hush Puppy who got arrested as his digital footprint was tracked to him. That's more reason why you should only use this content for legit transactions, as there is no hiding place for bad actors. While Bitcoin transactions don't use your name, they are recorded on a public ledger for anyone to see. Unless you are using privacy-focused coins such as Monero or Zcash, your transactions can be traced back to you with enough effort if they have your time. In countries like Nigeria, where crypto bans are prevalent, on peer-to-peer platforms like Paxful are still popular. But I don't think they are beyond scrutiny too. In the US and UK, Coinbase and other exchanges require KYC, that's Know Your Customer verification, so your anonymity is limited. However, if you're serious about anonymity, use a decentralized wallet such as Trust Wallet, Metamask, Blockstream, Jade, SafePal, Exodus, Zengo, and Best Wallet. And then stick to privacy coins. Avoid central exchanges. You get it? I made a video about best virtual cards on my channel every now and then because prepaid and virtual cards are the heroes of anonymous payment we don't talk about enough. Having one loaded up with some cash limits connection to your actual bank account. For instance, MyVanilla and Co cards are widely recognized and easily operated in Canada and the US. But in Nigeria, platforms like Geegpay, Barter, Wallet Africa allow you to create active virtual cards. However, they also require KYC. So, Revolut's virtual cards feature is a solid option for you in the UK. However, don't rely on these cards. Use them as part of your anonymous strategy. In addition to other tips I am sharing here to help you protect your privacy on one-off purchases. Did you know that PayPal's business account lets you mask your real name with a business alias? Sounds great until you remember that PayPal knows exactly who you are. Venmo, it's slightly better for small transfers but still far from complete anonymity. Cash App is one of the few services that let you send and receive money without exposing your bank details. However, it is not widely available, so our search for complete anonymity continues, Abi. So mobile billing is becoming increasingly popular in countries like Nigeria, like MTN Mobile Money. For example, it allows you to make minor transactions with your phone credit. In Canada and the United Kingdom, options like PaySafe cards allows prepaid anonymity but frequently have usage restrictions. So do you want absolute anonymity? You might need to combine your payment method and a very good VPN. A solid VPN or RDP conceals your IP address while encrypting your internet activities. You also don't want to use random email services, but private ones like Proton Mail or Tutanota to get off to a great start. Also, using public Wi-Fi for financial transaction is a great way to track your transactions easily. It's like walking into the lion's den with blood dripping meat strapped to your chest. Before I go, let me remind you that true anonymity online doesn't have a one-size-fits-all solution. So you need to choose a combination of tools that actually work for your specific needs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.